In this episode, we'll discuss documentation for both WordPress and ProcessWire. In WordPress, you can access documentation known as the Codex from the homepage by going to Support Documentation. The Codex is an online manual for WordPress and a living repository for WordPress information and documentation. It contains basic information such as creating and using posts to more advanced topics such as theme development and writing your own plugins. Let's read the documentation about writing a plugin. As you can see, this document goes into specific details on writing plugins. However, you must go outside the Codex to another section to obtain more specific information. This other section is specifically geared towards developers, which can be accessed from the link here in the footer. From this developer resource section, we can access full details on how to create plugins, as well as a complete list of functions that WordPress provides. This function here allows us to see whether a user is logged in or not. In ProcessWire, you can access the documentation from the ProcessWire homepage by clicking the Docs link here. As you can see, it's not as cluttered as the WordPress Codex. It contains information for beginners, such as the articles shown here in the tutorials section. It also contains information about the ProcessWire API. Let's see how we can detect if a user is logged in. We can go to the user variable. And this function right here will allow you to do that. There is an alternative way to view the API using the API cheat sheet. This is an interactive page which allows you to view all the methods for each API variable.